Here are 3 websites every small YouTuber must know. Yes, in this video, I'm going to be listing out 3 websites. Yes, you can use to upscale your content creating here on TikTok. So number one, we have ChatGPT. I know you have been hearing about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is not only for script writing or research. Yes, you can use ChatGPT for your content idea. You can use ChatGPT for your description. You can use ChatGPT for your title, your thumbnail, image generation. Yes, I use ChatGPT. So the next one is called Gemini. But before I explain further for Gemini, make sure you like this video, comment, and then subscribe. Yes, click on the notification for my next video. So Gemini here is for image generation. You know, ChatGPT, if you're using the free version, you can't generate multiple images, but Gemini, you can use Gemini to generate multiple image. Even Gemini is also good for script writing for those of you who use Gemini. So the next one and the last one is Canva. Yes, Canva is used for thumbnail generation. Yes, you can also use Canva to generate your thumbnail. So those are the 3 you need. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to like and then subscribe. Click on the notification for my next video.